Welcome back to CoinAgeEra. Today we're stepping into the world of Euro coins, a currency that connects multiple countries across Europe with one powerful system. But here's the interesting part. Even though Euro coins look similar at first glance, each country has its own unique design, symbols, and hidden stories that many people don't even notice. In today's video, we'll explore some iconic German Euro coins, including the 2002 German 2 euro coin, 2002 German 10 euro cent coin, 2002 20 euro cent coin first map, and 2002 German 50 euro cent coin. From national symbols like the German eagle to unique metal compositions and collector value, these coins may seem common, but some can still surprise you. So let's begin this journey. And trust me, you'll never look at Euro coins the same way again. The 2002 German 2 euro coin is far more than just a piece of everyday currency. It represents one of the most important economic transformations in modern history. Its introduction marked the moment when Germany, along with many other nations in Europe, officially adopted the euro as a unified currency, replacing national currencies like the Deutsche Mark. This shift wasn't just about money. It symbolized unity, cooperation, and a shared economic future across the continent. When you look closely at this coin, you'll notice that it carries two identities in one design. The reverse side, common across all Eurozone countries, displays the map of Europe representing connection and unity among nations. But the obverse side is where Germany expresses its national pride through the iconic federal eagle, Bundesadler. This powerful symbol has been associated with German sovereignty for centuries and reflects strength, authority, and resilience. The coin was minted by multiple facilities under the German mint system, each identified by a unique letter. Berlin, D, Munich, F, Stuttgart, G, Karlsruhe, and J, Hamburg. This detail adds an exciting layer for collectors, as completing a full set of all mint marks becomes a challenge and a goal. Another fascinating aspect of the 2 euro coin is its bimetallic structure. The outer ring is made of nickel brass, while the inner core is cupronickel. This not only gives the coin a unique two-tone appearance, but also helps prevent counterfeiting, a smart innovation for modern currency. In terms of circulation, millions of these coins were released in 2002, making them very common across Europe. However, what many people don't realize is that condition and rarity still play a huge role in determining value. Coins that remain in uncirculated condition, with sharp details and minimal wear, are far more desirable to collectors. There are also rare cases of minting errors, such as misalignments or striking flaws, which can significantly increase the coin's value. Additionally, certain mint marks in high-grade condition can command higher prices in the collector market. Value and worth, expanded range, circulated coins 2 euros, 5 euros, uncirculated coins 10 euros, 25 euros plus, high-grade or full mint sets 30 euros, 80 euros plus. Rare mint errors or unique variations 100 euros, 500 euros plus. The 2002 German 2 euro coin is not just a coin, it's a historical milestone, representing the birth of a unified European currency and Germany's role within it. What may seem like ordinary change could actually hold hidden collector value and deep historical meaning. Now let's move forward to another beautiful and unique piece, the 2002 German 10 euro cent coin from Germany. The 2002 German 10 euro cent coin is part of the very first euro coin series, introduced when Europe stepped into a new financial era. While it may seem like a small value coin, its design, material, and history make it truly fascinating. On the reverse side, like all euro coins, you'll see the map of Europe, symbolizing unity among nations, but the obverse side features one of Germany's most iconic landmarks, the Brandenburg Gate, located in Berlin. This monument is not just architecture. It represents peace, unity, and Germany's reunification after years of division. So every time you see this coin, you're actually looking at a symbol of history and national pride. One of the most interesting things about this coin is its composition. It is made from a special alloy called Nordic gold, which actually contains no real gold at all. Instead, it's a mix of copper, zinc, aluminum, and tin. This gives the coin its golden color while keeping it affordable and durable for daily use. The coin was minted by different German mints, A, D, F, G, J, making it more exciting for collectors who try to collect all mint variations. Even though millions of these coins were produced, finding one in perfect uncirculated condition with sharp details can be difficult. Coins with clean surfaces and strong strikes, especially from specific mints, can stand out in the collector market. There are also rare mint errors, such as off-center strikes or design misprints, which can increase the value significantly. Value and worths: circulated coins 10 cents, €1. Uncirculated coins 2 euros, 10 euros plus. High-grade condition 15 euros, 40 euros plus. Rare errors can go up to 100 euros, 400 euros plus. The 2002 German 10 euro cent coin proves that even low-value coins can carry deep history and collector potential. It's not just about money, it's about the story behind it. Now, let's explore one of the most visually unique coins in the Euro series, the 2002 20 euro cent coin first map from Europe. The 2002 20 euro cent coin first map is not just a simple coin, it represents the early identity of the euro currency itself. When the euro was first introduced, the design chosen for the reverse side featured a first map of Europe, showing only the initial member countries of the Eurozone. This makes the coin historically important, as it captures a specific moment in time, the beginning of a unified European economy. Unlike later versions of euro coins after 2007, which show a more complete map of Europe, this first map design highlights how the euro started with a limited group of countries before expanding. That's what makes this coin special for collectors. It tells the story of Europe's growth and integration. On the obverse side, depending on the country of issue, the design changes, but the 20-cent coin is widely recognized for its Spanish flower shape with smooth and indented edges. This unique shape was intentionally created to help people easily the coin by touch, especially useful for visually impaired individuals. The coin is made from Nordic gold, the same golden-colored alloy used in other cent coins. Even though it looks valuable, it contains no real gold, but its durability and shine make it one of the most attractive coins in everyday circulation. The 2002 issue is particularly important because it belongs to the very first year of euro circulation coins, making it more meaningful than later years. Millions were minted across different countries, but collectors often seek coins in perfect condition, as well as earlier examples like this one. The first map design was later replaced, so coins from 2002 to 2006 carry this original version, making them more desirable for those who collect early Euro history coins. Coins with sharp details, original shine, and no wear can stand out. Also, rare mint errors or unique country variations can increase the value significantly. Value and worth: circulated coins 20 cents, €1. Uncirculated coins 2 euros, 12 euros plus. High-grade condition 15 euros, 50 euros plus. Rare early year sets or errors 100 euros, 300 euros. The 2002 20 euro cent first map is more than just a coin. It's a snapshot of Europe's beginning as a united currency system. A small coin, but a big story behind it. Now let's step into the last and one of the most iconic euro coins, the 2002 German 50 euro cent coin from Germany. The 2002 German 50 euro cent coin holds a very special place in European history because it belongs to the first official euro coin series, released when the euro currency was introduced across multiple countries. For Germany, this coin was not just about value, it was about representing national identity within a united Europe. On the obverse side, this coin features one of Germany's most famous landmarks, the Brandenburg Gate in Berlin. This monument is deeply symbolic, representing peace, unity, and the reunification of Germany after the Cold War by placing This design on the coin, Germany sent a powerful message. A nation once divided is now united, both internally and as part of Europe. The reverse side shows the original Euro map design, first map, which highlights the early member countries of the Eurozone. This design was used only in the early years, 2002 to 2006, making these coins historically significant, because they represent the beginning phase of the Euro system. The coin is made from Nordic gold, a unique alloy consisting mainly of copper, along with zinc, aluminum, and tin. Despite its golden appearance, it contains no real gold, but it was specifically designed to be durable, corrosion-resistant, and visually distinct. Like other German euro coins, the 50-cent coin was minted at multiple locations under the German mint system, each marked with a letter: Berlin, D, Munich, F, Stuttgart, J, Karlsruhe, and J, Hamburg. Collectors often try to gather all these mint marks, adding extra excitement to this coin. Collector's insight, realistic and original. Unlike exaggerated claims, most 2002 German 50 euro cent coins are common because millions were produced for circulation. However, coins in uncirculated condition, with sharp details and original shine, are still collectible. Early euro coins like this, one, are valued more for their historical importance rather than high monetary worth, especially those from the first year 2002. Value and worth realistic range. Circulated coins, 50 cents, 2 euros. Uncirculated coins, 3 euros, 10 euros plus. High-grade condition, 15 euros, 40 euros plus. Rare errors or full mint sets, 50 euros, 150 euros plus. The 2002 German 50 euro cent coin is not just pocket change, it's a symbol of unity, history, and a new European era. While it may not always be extremely valuable, its story and meaning make it a must-have for any coin collector. From the 2002 German 2 euro coin to the 2002 German 50 euro cent coin, these euro coins may look simple, but they carry the story of a united Europe. But here's the real twist. What if the small coins in your pocket aren't just cents, but pieces of history with hidden value? So next time you see a euro coin, don't ignore it, check it closely, because your next coin might surprise you more than you think. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow CoinAgeEra for more amazing coin stories.